Hello and welcome to my latest video. In this video I am going to be doing one of my craft videos. So I'm actually going to be knitting a doll's outfit. My daughter has an American Girl doll. I think she actually has about 3 of them. I'm not 100% sure. I know we tend to buy them for her birthdays, and it's always through eBay that we get them. So I went onto her website, searched for some free patterns. I will put a link to the website that I downloaded the pattern from in the description if you wanted to check it out for yourself. And then I just raided my stash. So I'm actually going to just be using 3 balls of wool that I found in my stash, a green, a pink and a purple. They are not a double knit, they're a 4-ply I believe, because I bought these ages ago to knit one of my sister's babies a few little bits, so that's where they're from. So they are normally a 4-ply I believe when I do that sort of knitting, and yeah, so I'm going to get on and get started, and then I'm going to kind of try and update you as the process goes along. It's meant to be quite it says difficulty level is an intermediate, so hopefully I'm going to be alright with it. It has been a while since I've sat down and knitted anything too complex, so hoping I'm going to be alright with it, and I'll update you later on. Okay, so quick update from me on the knitted American Girl doll dress that I'm doing. I'm just going to flip the camera around and show you what I've done so far. Okay, so this is actually knitted from the neck down, so you're not working from the bottom of the dress. So this is the actual pattern here. I don't know whether it's going to show. I hope it does. There we go. That's focusing a little bit better. So you see this line here. I've actually made a bit of a mistake here, because you see the second part of the pattern, it's actually coming through much nicer. So I am going to unravel and restart that again, because it's quite a big mistake there. It's a whole entire line that's out, so I'm going to unravel and restart. So I've unraveled right back to the last row on there is the 4th row, and the 5th row of the pattern was actually where I had actually made the mistake. So hopefully going forward it will be okay. So I'm going to do a few rows and see whether the fault is actually gone now. Okay, hopefully this is focusing. So you can see the correction line was this one here, the one with like the pattern here. It's like a diamond shape. So this is the first 10 rows of the pattern. So I'm just going to continue for a bit and then I'll update you a bit later. Okay, so quick progress update. So I've been working the lace pattern and putting the sleeves in. Okay, so I am now doing like the main body, and we're going to go on to the skirt now. So you can see it's taking shape really nicely. I haven't cast them off, just slipped the stitches off on the arms and tied them up for now, and then we will deal with them afterwards. It's coming along nicely. I think I've got 2 more buttonholes to put in on the side, and then we get on to making the skirt. So this is the finished dress. So I went for like the purple on top. I did like the kind of rainbow coloured sleeve edges, and then the skirt as well. Here I probably should have tied the colour in a little bit more, but because I started changing my mind halfway through, like I'd started that bit, it's all knitted at one piece on like going around. You can see that from the skirt when I turn it over. So I used circular needle for the top section, and then when we got onto the skirt, because you're knitting on the round, you're knitting all the way round, so you can see like it's all one part. And then I went for rainbow buttons on the edge. These are just some random buttons that I had spare. I think I bought these like a little pack of them for like 50p, and they're all like different kind of pastel-y colours, and I just thought I'm gonna do like different colour buttons just to tie the the skirt section of the dress in. What I'm going to do is my daughter is going to let me borrow one of her dolls. She's going to let me borrow Grace, and I'll take some pictures at the end of Grace actually modelling the dress. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments, leave them in the comment section and I will answer as soon as possible. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!